Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you watched the last video where I went to AJ Customs, fitted my intercooler from CSF and what am I missing? A charge pipe from Forge. So basically I've got my mate Dion here who's an expert at tuning and long story short, we're doing boot mod today, gonna go stage 2. So thought I'd just take you along with the process really, so let's get into it. Before we get into it guys, you're going to need a few bits and bobs first. Assuming that you've already bought the license, you'll need an OBD2 to Ethernet cable. Now, because I was using a Mac on the day, I had to get a Ethernet to USB-C, or if you want to use your iPhone, which is a lot easier, you get an Ethernet to Lightning cable.
So from here, we go to menu,
Yep.
OTS maps, then we go down to, so we're running stage 2. Do you want to do the aggressive map? Because that's when we get the burbles. That's what I had before.
I mean, why not?
Why not?
I think I'm going to get the map pack anyway.
Yeah. So if you click get tune, you don't have to do it. If you do the map pack first.
Oh, okay, so shall we get the map pack
first?
Let's
do the map pack first.
How do I do that?
Go to, so where did you order this from?
I got it from ML Performance.
So they must have
the map pack.
The map pack as well, yeah. So do that.
Basically guys, when you get the license, you get a free redeemable map, so you technically don't need the map pack, and this is probably why people say it's usually cheaper to go straight stage 2, because you're avoiding getting that stage 1 map as the redeemable map, and then you need to buy an extra map to go stage 2, if that makes sense. Now if you still do want the map pack, and that's exactly what I did, I'd say get it from the Pro Tuning Freaks website because it's the cheapest available. UK sellers retail it for about minimum £80. That's what I could find on ML Performance and things like that. But because of the exchange rate between Pro Tuning Freaks, I got it for about 30 quid. So it's a lot cheaper and I highly advise doing that.
So you go to OTS maps.
Yep.
Go down to stage 3 93 stage 2 93 octane.
Is 93 octane V-Power?
V-Power, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Then we add it.
Yep.
So then it adds it to your my map, like, so there's a section just for all your maps that you've added.
Okay.
And then now we've got to your section here. We can configure your exhaust bubbles.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what we want.
Yeah.
So what I did was, for my comfort, I brought it down to like 0.7 seconds.
Okay.
And then duration for the thing, I did put like 1.6 seconds.
Okay.
I don't want it too long.
Yeah.
Aggression for comfort, I put it down.
Yeah, put it down.
Wasting fuel on your comfort.
Literally. Put it as down as you can.
Yeah, I put it down because you still want it a little bit because it keeps the turbo sport.
Yeah.
And then aggression sport, we want it up.
Yeah.
We want that up. And then what's your red line on this car? Is it 7,000?
7,000, but let's keep it at 6,000.
So why did 6.5?
Yeah.
That's what I did for mine.
Okay,
so I just leave it at 6.5. Yeah. And then max speed, everything. Cool. That seems all good to me. Well, I put this to 128.
You know, I haven't got an engine check light.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Apparently, so someone else I know had. So when he did all his stage 2 bolt-ons as well, he didn't get an engine check light for 4 days, and then he got his.
Some people do get it, some people don't. It just depends on the car.
Yeah.
Did you want a GTS start, bro?
Yeah, we'll keep it on for now, and then.
Do you want to turn off cold start? Because that's gonna be loud otherwise.
Wait, start up raw is that?
So no, so you know when you start the car up, it just revs up for a quick second and it puts it back down. You know how my car does it?
Oh, yeah. I see. Yeah, keep cold start on for now.
You want to keep cold start on?
Yeah,
okay,
just for the first time.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna hear it, and then if I think that the neighbors are gonna go a bit crazy, then we'll turn it off.
You got loads of stuff here to change, but cool. We don't have to change any of that for now.
Wait, so can you see the bit where it talks about switchable maps? Is there a section for that?
Yeah, so you have to get like, it's a specific map you have to get, and then you can change it after that.
Oh, okay.
So it's something different, so you have to go for like map editors, like another section.
Oh, okay.
So for now, we're just going to flash
yeah.
it.
I hear that.
We want to sport flap open, no speed limiter, and then I think that's it. Yeah.
That seems like a pretty simple process.
Done. So what we'll do, we'll click save.
Yeah.
and then we go to this. We
Yeah.
click flash.
Do I need to put my thing on as well? My
What? No,
seatbelt?
it's just mine. If you
Did
just
you turn the thing down?
Yeah.
The light.
oh, we can turn off the light's already off in this car.
Oh, is
right
it?
now, yeah.
Okay, cool.
So you click flash now. Go ahead.
Time to click flash.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. So
Oh
now it's
my
gonna
God.
download it to your phone,
Right.
and then it's gonna add all the settings that you had, and it's gonna flash it. That's it.
Yo! I'm actually too gas, guys. Like,
Yeah, you'll see loads of like error lights,
yeah.
but it clears it after it flashes it.
Okay.
But the first time you flash it, it's gonna take a while.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
you have to
yeah.
unlock like the DME and everything.
Yeah, yeah, I hear that.
But after they'll take like a minute or two if you wanna reflash it.
Okay. Yo, this is simple, you know. I
Simple,
thought it
man.
was some long ass
No, no,
process,
no.
but
So
it's
easy.
pretty calm. Okay, fair play. Okay, so we'll leave that for that.
Yeah.
So now, okay, talk to me about the switchable maps. How does that work?
So I think I haven't used it personally yet.
Yeah.
But so as far as I've seen, you can use the cruise control button.
Yeah.
And you can switch it between each map.
Okay.
You have to do like some sort of configuration.
So for each map, I can basically. Does that mean I can have like a flame map? I can have a stock
Yeah,
map. And
yeah,
then,
yeah.
So stage 1 map or
Yeah.
stage 2 map.
Yeah. So you can have one map,
Ah.
say, with like, I don't know, cold start on.
Yeah.
And like super aggressive burbles. And
Yeah.
you can have another map which is like no burbles.
Yeah.
And like really quiet as well.
Yeah.
So when you need to change, you can change it as well.
That's solid.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And it's coming for the B58 soon
I think
as
so.
well,
Yeah,
right?
it's supposed to. I think it's out for the S55 and I think N55.
N55
is it? Yeah,
now. Yeah, I think I saw it somewhere. Someone put it on their
Mm.
Instagram story. So, we'll see.
That should be nice.
But yeah. So wait. So before we flash, guys, you need to remember that you need to turn off the AC and make sure your lights are off just to save some battery. You can also,
Keep your seatbelt on
keep your seatbelt
so
on.
it doesn't turn off
driver
the car.
side.
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yep. If you want, you can connect an external battery to the front of the car. Make sure you don't do it to the actual battery pack. But we're not doing it in this
Yeah,
case.
yeah.
I think you didn't do it for yours, right?
if you drive the car regularly, you don't
Yeah.
need to. Yeah, you're good.
So we should be alright in that sense. Right now, it's about 17% completed. It's because it's the first time flashing, like Dion said. It's going to take a bit of time. But yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys when we finish flashing and then we go for our first little drive. So see you guys shortly. Ah yeah, count us in 3.
3, 2, 1.
Yo! I had to close the door because it was getting a bit too loud. Oh my lord! Guys, I swear to God, I feel like this is way too loud. My neighbours are absolutely gonna go ham. Well, who cares, right? Alright, so we're gonna go on to a drive real quick. I don't even know if you're hearing me right now, but yeah, let's hear it in a bit.
Yeah, go. Go. Go again, go.